Okay, seriously, this storm is getting out of control. Wait, is that a tornado? Pipad, why are we in here? Well, there's two reasons, my little friend. Number one, I'm not doing the elimination in the rain, and second of all, I'll die in the rain. So, and also, I made a mistake last episode. There was only 14 teams and not 5. And also, oh, instead of the contestants voting, I spun a wheel, but I already know who's eliminated. If you're safe, you'll receive an egg. Spinny hat, you're the first one safe. Yay! Let's go! I'm safe. Looks like one of the square person is getting out. Oh no, I already know it's me. Blanket, be quiet and be happy you're safe. Yay! Hey, TNT, you're eliminated. What? No! I'm gonna blow you up! Or not. You could just go in here. What the? No! He's inside of me now. Okay, your next challenge is to survive the storm. I'm sending a message to all of the contestants. Ed, you cannot stay in this cave, so get out. Wait a minute, Spinny Hat, why do you look different? I got a redesign because my old asset was too hard to make. Oh, okay. By the way, what are the other teams doing? Say it. Every drop that drops on me, I get bigger. And I get more energy for each drop that drops into me. Hey, Drum, it's time for you to see what it's like to be in a tornado. No. What was that for? Or, I'm making sure we win the challenge. No, we're losing the challenge. Pipette said to survive the storm. No, we're winning the challenge. Here, I'm gonna do one last person. Why did you do that? Now we're gonna lose the challenge. No, we're gonna win the challenge. I'm gonna leave. Bye-bye. And it looks like all the teams have survived except for Horde's team, so they're up for elimination.